8, 1, 2, yes! Tuloy-tuloy natin yung next. Ready? From the top, pero tuloy-tuloy. Okay? 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, push and down, 1, and 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nice! Good job guys! Ganun lang. Ready? Kahit i-mark nyo muna, touchin nyo lang ng mga kung saan kayo hinihitin. And kahit huwag nyo muna lagyan ng mga textures, consider muna natin. Yeah, try natin.